Okay, so let's look at some of the IXL terms that we will look at that we will need for IXL C6. So we went through that More Literary Devices YouTube video. If you have not looked at it yet, you need to do so. That will help because it gives some of the definitions you will use. So death, be not proud, though some have called thee mighty and dreadful, for thou art not so. This is from John Donne, Holy Sonnet 6. So is it an apostrophe? Remember where somebody's speaking to something that, not a person, they just kind of stop and talk to it, or an anaphora? What do you think? Apostrophe? Well, let's see if we're right. Ha ha ha. Was I late for the party? Was I late for work today? Was I late for our meeting? Was I late for dinner? So am I repeating vowel sounds or am I repeating a word or phrase? Yes. Awesome. Okay. So this is all you're going to need to do. You might want to, I will share uh, in our week 2 folder the PowerPoint presentation itself, so you have some of the definitions with you, but you can also just miss one uh, and I'm going to say it's an understatement so I can miss it. I know it was anaphora. But you, again, you can take a screenshot of this and then have both sides open if you're still struggling, okay? But you're going to need to do C6 this week. It's not too bad. It really isn't. But that's one of the IXLs that you'll have. If you have questions, who do you see? This lady right here. Thanks, guys. See you later.